Hello, all you lovely computer scientists. Today we're going to be explaining the four data types which contain numbers in Python. Strings, integers, floats, and complexes. That's when we're working with numbers. These being our standard string, which can be anything. It could be anything, mix of anything. It can contain numbers, so it's technically a number data type. We'll just print this out of it. Returns str because it's string. Secondly, we have integers, which is another number, but cannot contain letters and cannot contain decimal points. So any number that's whole. Do note that a whole number, if it contains a decimal point, even if it's just 0 afterwards, it will be a float. Let's see. int for integer. You then have your float, which are anything with a decimal point, even if it is a 0.0. Even with 0.0, it is still a float. But that's still printing float. Last one is a complex, which is any number which has a j as its imaginary point. So 8j or minus 67j. As you can see, we get the class of complex. These are the four data types that we have when we work with numbers: strings, integers, floats, and complexes. Thank you. Thank you all very much for watching the video. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. And please comment especially because I like learning how you learn, and it helps me make better videos which are more educational and more concise.